No.
Starting off this autonomous match, both blue and red are quick to score at least 2 notes into the speaker. We have both alliances collecting notes from the middle of the field, lining up for a red alliance scoring one last note just before the end of this autonomous period. As drivers pick up their controls, 7769 is quick to pick up a note from the middle of the field, as Team 3175 over on the blue alliance has already scored into the amp. We have 5460 flying across the field, spinning out a note for their alliance partner. Already we have 2 blue alliance robots collecting notes from the human player station. We have Team 3175 slamming right to the stage, making their journey all the way over to the amp to score their red note for their rainbow bonus, as the red alliance over on the other side of the field, 7769, scores another point, 2 whole points into the speaker. 453 has acquired a yellow note and is making their way over to their amp, as Team 5460 has collecting an orange note from their human player station. We got notes flying across the field from 3538, handing them over to their alliance partner, 7769, to score into the speaker. Blue alliance robots flying across the field, collecting a purple note, ready to score into their amp for that rainbow bonus. Red alliance collecting from their human player station, throwing it right across the field. Red finishes their amplification period. 7769 scores into the amp again. We got some heavy collisions by the blue alliance, trying to make their way over to their human player station. We got 7769 scoring into their amplified speaker. We only have 6 seconds left. They're lining up for another score, and they make it. 2 amplified notes from the Red Alliance. We got 3175 making their way over to the human player station, collecting to collect a note from their player. We had 1684 with a note in possession, lining up for a score on the blue speaker. They're lining up and they shoot and score into the blue speaker. We now have human players throwing those notes, trying to get a spotlighted robot as they line up to climb. We already have 2 red robots parked. Potentially they might climb. We have 3175 lining up for their endgame position as this match comes to a close.
Let's check out those scores. It's a tie. Both of our alliances score 69 points and go home with a couple ranking points each.